hope you all are happy, healthy. So guys, as you all know, शादी season is here and also as you know, शादियों में हमको ethnic पहनना पड़ता है. On top of that, we want to look classy, sophisticated, elegant. How do you achieve all of that together? Well, I am here to help you achieve that look and make it easier for you. मैं आपको ऐसे 10 टिप्स बताने वाली हूँ जो आपको every wedding season बहुत काम आने वाली है. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, first things first, and that is your blouse. Please guys, make sure your blouse is well fitted and well stitched. Girls, आपकी blouse अगर well stitched, well fitted ना हो, it can spoil your entire look. No matter how much expensive or how much beautiful your saree is, your blouse can spoil it for you. If you don't have the time to stitch a blouse, then always go for ready-made options. आजकल बाजार में बहुत सारे ready-made blouses हैं, बहुत सारे options हैं. You can choose from any of them. I personally like ready-made blouses more than the stitched blouse. Also, you can change the whole look of your traditional wear just by pairing your tops with lehenga, sarees or any of the traditional wear and just throwing on a dupatta on. मैंने बहुत बार अपनी साड़ियों को, लहंगे को टॉप्स के साथ पेयर किया and trust me, it looks super sophisticated and super stylish. Just make sure the color combination is good और वो well fitted हो. Guys, we tend to buy dresses for each function. उसे हम सिर्फ एक ही दिन पहनते हैं and then किसी कोने में पड़ा रहता है. We don't want to repeat this just by thinking हमारे पास already इसके pictures हैं. Why don't we just restyle those existing pieces जो हमारे अलमारी के किसी कोने में पड़े रहते हैं? I am a strong believer of restyling. मैंने आज तक कोई भी चीज एक बार पहन के नहीं छोड़ा है. I tend to always restyle it with different tops, different blouses. We can always restyle our lehengas, our mother's sarees with different kinds of tops, dupattas, blouse, jewelry and various other things. So थोड़ा smart बनिए. Refer to YouTube creators for restyling your existing pieces and leave the headache of purchasing new clothes all the time. Now girls, आपके पल्लू में एक बहुत ही सुंदर सा डिजाइन पैटर्न है which you want to highlight. Now what do you do? आप pleat skip करके you just let the pallu hang on your hand, isn't it? But tell me honestly, is it easy to handle that heavy pallu sarees on your only one hand whole night? Not at all, right? It gets messed up, hand starts to ache, you feel uncomfortable. So what is the easier way? So the trick here is guys, पल्लू सेट होने के बाद थाई और कमर में जो पल्लू आपका होगा उसको आप हल्के से छोटे से प्लीट बना के कमर के पास में पिन कर दें. इस छोटी सी ट्रिक से the pallu becomes manageable. The weight kind of distributes in on your कमर and your hand. अभी अगर आप हाथ को ढीला भी कर देंगे तो पल्लू पूरी नीचे नहीं गिरेगा. उसको बार बार खींच के ठीक करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Do give this trick a try. It is totally a game changer. Now let's come to hairs. There are hundreds and hundreds of hairstyle tutorials on YouTube, but the trick here is to prep before. आपको शादी के दिन से पहले ही अपना हेयर स्टाइल सिलेक्ट कर लेना है. हेयर्स में कौन सा एक्सेसरी या कौन सा फ्लावर लगाएंगे वो भी सिलेक्ट कर लेना है. Also on that day, make sure to use a generous amount of conditioner to make your hair silky and manageable. Girls, nowadays middle parting hairs बहुत चल रहे हैं. Middle parting hair is the in thing right now. So बट कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमको वो मिडिल पार्टिंग में वॉल्यूम नहीं मिल पाता है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आवर फेस लुक्स बिगर. सो व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर द वॉल्यूम? हाउ डू यू अचीव दैट वॉल्यूम? देयर आर 2 ट्रिक्स फॉर इट. First is to tease your hair and then pin it on either sides and then make the bun. And the second is to side part your hair, pin it and sleep overnight. That will give you a natural kind of volume. I personally prefer simple hairstyles and simple accessories, but if you can rock those braid hairstyles and complicated ones, then why the hell not? Just make sure it is clean and tidy. अभी हम ज्वेलरी पे आते हैं. The trick here is simple. Just to focus on either neck or either ears. Never, I repeat, never wear a heavy neck piece and heavy earrings. It looks very messy. ऑलवेज आपकी अगर नेक पीस बड़ा है तो आप नॉर्मल छोटा या फिर नो ईयररिंग्स प्रेफर करें, और अगर आपका ईयररिंग्स बड़े हैं, इट्स लाइक ए झुमका और इट्स लाइक ए हैंगिंग वन, देन ऑलवेज गो फॉर चेन नेक पीस और नो नेक पीस एट ऑल. Also, don't wear a heavy mang tika, a big mang tika and big earrings. That also looks very messy. चूड़िया आप सिंपल रखें. You can always opt for a simple करहा and a statement finger ring. Basically आपको अपनी ज्वेलरीज को बैलेंस करनी होती है. Of course you don't want to look like a चलता फिरता ज्वेलरी स्टोर, right? So guys, हम जब मांग टीका पहनते हैं एंड शादियों में जाके थोड़ा डांस करते हैं या थोड़ा हिलते डुलते हैं, हमारे मांग टीका भी हमारे सर पे हिलने डांस करने लगते हैं. What most ladies do as a solution is they just clip it up with a clip on their forehead, which is a big no-no. Trick here is guys, eyelash glue. Yes guys, eyelash glue. You just have to place the mang tika on your forehead and then put the glue on the edges of the mang tika and press it on your forehead for 15 to 20 seconds and let the glue settle. And here it is, a clean mang tika look. Don't worry guys, it is totally safe. घर वापस आके आप आराम से wash करें and it will come off easily. Eyelash glue हम आँखों पे लगाते हैं and that is the most tender part of our face. So obviously you can imagine how safe it is. Now guys, how do you achieve a fresh and flawless makeup? Please don't be lazy and prep your skin beforehand. आपको cleanse, scrub, face pack, face mask, steam before night ही कर लेनी है. That will make your skin feeling fresh, free of dead skin cells and it will give you a healthy glow. आपके skin के according face pack, face scrub use कर लेनी है, or you can always go for DIY like me. Now always start your makeup generous amount of moisturizer followed by a toner and then a primer. That will give you a beautiful base for your makeup. Recently I started doing a trick which I also have seen from a YouTube creator, that is before putting foundation and before putting primer, what I do is I take a little bit of moisturizer and mix a little bit of shimmer powder in it and apply it on my face, on the high points of my face only. That gives a natural shine. You can, in that place you can also apply face illuminator before applying your primer itself. You can totally give it a try if it suits you. आप अपना normal foundation, concealer, highlighter and all your makeup things you apply on your face and then you have to decide between your eyes and your lips. Yes, focus on one. Either अपने eyes को highlight करनी होती है या फिर अपने lips को. Never the two of them together. Suppose you are going for a heavy eye makeup, तो आपको आपका lip shade nude या फिर sweet shades में रखनी होती है. And if you are up for bold lipstick, then आपको warm tones के eyeshadows लगानी होती है. This will give you a clean and classy look. You can always refer to my other video with there I have given lots of makeup tips. अब blouse done, clothes done, hairstyle done, makeup done, what is next? Next is your bag. Always go for beautiful clutches or a beautiful potli. Never a handbag, tote bag, backpacks. Invest in a golden or a black clutch which you can pair up with any and every kind of outfit. Make sure उसमें आपके necessary items like your lip shade, compact, safety pins, hair pins, keys, money, sanitizer fit आ जाए. Potlies are also a beautiful option these days. Make sure आप अपने clutch पहले से finalize कर लें. Now, शादी मतलब चलना फिरना, खड़े रहना, डांस करना, a lot of pressure on our feet. Obviously चाहेंगे थोड़ा comfortable pair of heels हो. So for that reason, always avoid stilettos. Stilettos पहनने से by the end of the night you will be walking like a camel. Instead, opt for block heels or wedges. They are very comfortable and it will help you feel very light on your feet. Invest in a good pair of golden block heels which you can pair up with any and every kind of traditional outfit. We have come to the last point and that is weather, मौसम. As much as we want to look good and we want to stand out in the crowd, we don't want to fall sick, isn't it? So never compromise with the weather. शादी की वजह से बीमार थोड़ी ना पड़ोगे. It is winter. As winter has come, so according to the temperature, make sure to carry a chaddar, embroidered chaddar, or a long overcoat. Don't ignore your health for the sake of looking good. Also, don't expect any Romeo to hand over his jacket to you. Keep the bindi simple. Go for red, maroon or black color bindi. Finish your makeup with the setting spray. That will help your makeup to stay intact the whole night. Clean and polish your hands and feet nails. Keep all your dress, blouse, sari, jewelry, makeup handy and ready before night itself, just to save time. If you are like me who always forgets to put perfume, then you can always spray the perfume before night on your dresses itself. Always carry extra safety pins and extra hair clips. Please refer to my other video where I have given lots of makeup tips and I have also showed a unique way of styling your sari. Now with this we come to the end of this video. You can follow me in my Instagram, link in the description box. I also post recipe and lifestyle videos. I hope the tips and tricks will help you go rock that wedding. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel. I will come up with more such kind of tips, lifestyle videos and recipes. Till then, take care of yourself, wear your mask and be safe. Now let me go for a wedding. Bye.